This one is a cattle loading ramp or Tal-Tec loading ramp, TLR3. The 3 will be the model which we call our tractor speed. So if I quickly just focus on that, we have high-speed axle. It doesn't have any springs, so that's why we call it a tractor speed. So very versatile on the farm. You can change the height of your ramp to either a cattle trailer, a bakkie, or maybe a big loading truck. It has good steps for your animals when they climb. They're not going to slip on these steps. The convenience of having wheels means you can move this around, you can offload it any place. You can also take it away and put it in your store, that you don't have to battle with or worry that people can use your permanent loading facility to steal animals. So you take that risk away. Great piece of equipment to have on the farm. And right next to this one, we have our TLR4. So the 4 will be what we refer to our high-speed loading ramp. The same functionality, loading your animals, whether it's on a bakkie or a cattle trailer or truck. All our loading ramps have got a flap at the back here. So we close the gap between the truck and the ramp, so there's no risk of an animal putting a foot down in the wrong place. This one is what we call high speed. It's also registered. It has a chevron at the back. You can hook it with your bakkie, it is registered, and you can travel to any place in the country and load animals or unload animals.